Westinghouse makes cooking easy with the induction timer function. Use the countdown timer to set how long the cooking zone operates for. To set the timer, first choose a cooking selection and zone. Touch the timer button again and repeat until your chosen zone turns on. You can set the heat before or after your timer is set. Then activate the timer by touching the minus or plus buttons to set your time between 0 and 99 minutes. Once you see your cooking zone start to slowly flash, this means your timer is activated and counting down. If you would like to check the remaining time, press Timer. The indicator of the cooking zone starts to flash quickly and the display will show the remaining time. When the time comes to an end, the sound operates and 00 flashes. The cooking zone will be deactivated. To deactivate your timer manually, simply touch Timer and then the minus button. The remaining time will change back to 00 and the indicator on the cooking zone will go out. Stress less with Westinghouse timer function, giving you the option to multitask in the kitchen.